At SimplePractice, we value the human connection and expertise practitioners bring when providing care. Our note-taker tool is powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and should serve as a partner designed to empower you, enhancing your ability to run a thriving practice. With Note-Taker, you are in control. This tool is only added to your SimplePractice account if you choose to purchase the add-on to your subscription plan. And even after you add Note-Taker to your subscription, you can choose not to use Note-Taker to record a session or stop the recording mid-session. So if a specific client does not consent to recording audio or requests that you stop recording mid-session, you can easily honor that request. Note-Taker works in 3 steps. First, it gives you a tool to record audio of a session with your client's permission. In telehealth sessions, you'll see the option to record audio in the bottom toolbar. For in-person sessions, you'll use the SimplePractice Clinician app on your smartphone or tablet to record the audio in the room. You can stop recording at any time. After the session ends, AI transcribes the audio recording within minutes. The recording is deleted as soon as the full transcript is created. Second, AI analyzes the transcript and generates a draft progress note on the appointment page. Third, you are required to review and edit the draft note before finalizing it to ensure it reflects your insights and expertise. In the upper right corner of the appointment page, click Note Taker to access the draft note and transcript. The draft note and transcript are available until the note is signed and locked, or 7 days after the appointment, whichever comes first. We're deeply invested in the security and confidentiality of patient data. Protected health information, PHI, will never be sold and is always safeguarded in alignment with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, regulations, and our comprehensive privacy policy. All SimplePractice features comply with the strict standards set by HIPAA. As with all data in your client's charts, the transcript and notes are safeguarded with comprehensive security measures. After you've reviewed, locked, and signed the drafted note, the transcription is de-identified and anonymized, which means that any identifying data is completely removed and any association with the client or clinician is deleted. No protected health information, PHI, or personally identifiable information, PII, will be traceable back to the client or the clinician. Additionally, the de-identified and anonymized transcription data will be fully encrypted. SimplePractice has received a high-trust certification that verifies the strictest level of HIPAA and security compliance.